So we're back in Peru. And Ethan hasn't been here for 7 years.
I haven't been here for 7 years.
I mean, we're only at the border.
No, I feel pretty good. I'm kind of anxious to just get out of the border because we had to drive back and forth like 3 times. But no, I feel the air. It feels good. It reminds me of when I was a child. Embarking on an adventure, and I'm back. I'm back, baby. Don't hit the side.
Take number 2. After leaving Ecuador's lush green jungles, Peru was a complete surprise to us. It was desert, mountains of garbage. The one benefit was the highway was straight and very smooth. We were on our way to Chiclayo, somewhere Ethan hadn't been for 6 years, to see the family that hosted him while he stayed there. Ethan, how do you feel?
I can't hear anything.
Peter, ¿a qué hora llegan?
He's too nervous. He doesn't want to video this.
No, Claudia's not here. Where is she? She's not answering.
Who's here?
What city we in?
We are in Chiclayo. Ethan used to run this place 6 years ago, and we're back.
We'll get Claudia's number. I need WhatsApp.
Ethan,
You're so funny, Jesus.
So,
can you explain this drink?
Yeah, so I ordered the guy's chicha morada, which is it's purple. It's very typical Peruvian drink. It's a purple corn that they boil down and down and down so it gets to a syrup. They strain it, and then they add water to it and limon. And it's like a very classic Peruvian. You don't get it anywhere else in the world. I don't like it, but I think it. He likes
good.
Jesse likes it. And we're gonna have some Chinese food. Well, chifa. Chifa.
Nadie siempre que yo.
¡Mira, está aquí!
¿Viste, verdad?
I got a little GoPro action going. You got bally tires. You got baller tires. Little video. Drinking all day. I mean, it's not bad if we can find a little flat spot. Why not? It's not too bad. Keep your momentum up.
Here.
Looks like a cockroach.
Donde? Oh my god, it looks like a piece of bark.
I know, it's impressive. It's kind of creepy how big it is.
Do you want my light on it or not?
Yeah, no, the light's good.
Oh dang, thing's crazy.
Jesse, come see this.